Welcome! If you're looking to boost your email productivity and make writing emails a breeze, you'll want to enable Smart Compose on Gmail. In this quick and easy guide, I'll walk you through the updated steps to turn on Smart Compose, so you can start composing emails faster and smarter than ever before. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open up the Gmail app. If you haven't already installed it, just head over to your App Store and download it. Once you're in the app, look for the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on that. A side menu will slide out. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings. Tap on Settings to open up your Gmail settings. Next, you'll see a list of all the email accounts you've added to your Gmail app. Choose the account where you want to enable Smart Compose by tapping on your email address. Now, scroll down through the settings for your account until you find the section called Smart Compose. This feature uses artificial intelligence to suggest complete sentences as you type, making it easier and quicker to write emails. To turn it on, simply check the box next to Smart Compose. That's it. From now on, as you type out your emails, you'll notice suggestions appearing in gray text. If you like a suggestion, just swipe right or tap to accept it. It's a fantastic way to save time and reduce typing, especially for those repetitive phrases or common replies. And there you have it. You've just enabled Smart Compose on your Gmail app. With this feature on, writing emails becomes faster, more efficient, and even a little bit more fun. Try it out and see how much time you can save. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tips for getting the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!